Okay, so I'm back with Dr. Weinberger again at NuSpine Chiropractic, again located on Blue Diamond Highway in South Las Vegas. And Dr. Weinberger has been working with me for the last month or so, and I certainly feel much better. I wanted to ask Doc a question I think will help a lot of folks out there, Doc. And the question is, people obviously think of chiropractic and they think of back pain or other issues related to their back. Mm-hmm. But the fact is that chiropractic can, in many cases, help people with a lot of other different types of symptoms as well. And I always wanted to ask you, can you share a few of those symptoms or problems that people might not be thinking about as it relates to chiropractic?
Sure, absolutely. We see a lot of patients in here with headaches, migraines and regular headaches, as well as sciatica, certain shoulder injuries. We help with rotator cuff problems. There are a lot, basically, as the body is a system, we can work with the system.
Fantastic. And Doc, if people want to schedule a first appointment with you, how do they do that?
The easiest way is to go to NuSpine.com and find out the area closest to you and fill out the information there.
Sounds good. Thanks, Doc.